Hello, I'm Sarah from Perfect Laser. We know that metals are indispensable in industrial production and daily life, and metal marking is a common work. How to choose the appropriate marking machine to achieve the desired marking effect has always been a concern for customers. Today, let's introduce the marking tools together. In the field of metal marking, dot marking machines and laser marking machines are two common marking equipments. Each one is highly favored for its unique marking accuracy and applicability. Dot pin marking machines have been widely used in multiple industries with their deep marking ability of 0.02 mm. It mainly serves industries such as automotive machinery, hardware equipment, decorative barcode signs, electronics, instruments, providing efficient and accurate labeling solutions for these fields. Laser marking machine stands out with its higher marking accuracy, reaching an accuracy of 0.002 mm. This makes it stand out in industries that require higher precision and delicacy, such as electronic components, instruments, and meters, daily necessities, jewelry, and food and beverage packing. It not only provides unparalleled marking quality, but also has one widespread recognition in the market due to its efficient and environmentally friendly characteristics. In summary, dot pin marking machine and a laser marking machine each have their own advantages. With their unique marking accuracy and applicability, they jointly provide diversified solutions for the metal marking industry. If you are eager to see more satisfactory marking results, feel free to contact us immediately, or you can leave a message and subscribe our channel. More wonderful things will be presented to you.